each time I log into my WordPress dashboard and I keep seeing all this notification popping up on my dashboard, usually makes me not comfortable or becomes very angry. And looking at the fact that I create a website for my client and all this notification keeps popping each time on on my client's dashboard, usually just I will actually make me look unprofessional. So you might be watching this video just because you are actually experiencing the same issue or having the same challenge, or you want to learn something new. So if that is the case, stick around and watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 ways you are going to be using to remove all this annoying notifications from your dashboard. Hello once again, this is Kingsley from the Blast channel. In case you're just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video. So without much waste of time, let's just go straight to today's tutorial. Remember, I said I'm going to be showing you how to remove all these annoying notifications from your WordPress dashboard. So without much waste of time, let's go straight into the tutorials. Now we are going to be on, this is my dashboard. You can see this is my dashboard, the dashboard where I'm having. Okay, from this dashboard I'm going to be showing you, can see several notifications pop up showing on my dashboard, of which it really makes I'm not actually comfortable with all these notifications showing on my dashboard. So to do this, you can actually go to my website. You can go to my website. I'll be dropping the link in the description box below. You can click on the link and it will going to take you to this website. So from this website you are going to see this is the article. So you can actually, the text version of this tutorial, so you can actually go to this video and you can see what we have here. I'm going to just scroll down. Now you can see I'm going to be installing a plugin. I'm going to be showing you, I say 3 ways. Now it's basically 2 ways, but in this tutorial it's going to be in 3 form version. That is why I said 3 ways. Now I'm going to be showing you, you are going to be going to, let's say I'm copying this is the plugin I'm going to be searching for to install on my WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to go to where I have my plugins. So I'm going to show you the plugin way and also the way you can do that with your code. So I'm going to go to plugins and add new. So you're going to come and search for, so I'm searching for hide WordPress dashboard notifications. So just waiting for it to search. Now here is it. You can see we have hide WordPress notification, hide admin notice. So you can just see all of this. So now I'm going to be installing one of it. I'm going to be installing the first one here. So once I click on install, I'm going to install this first one. I'm going to activate it. Okay, that has been activated. So since I am still on the plugin section, I want to install another plugin. So I'm going to install another plugin. Not this plugin is not for this particular section. I just want to install it so that I'll be able to use it to show you the second method. So I'm going to be searching for code snippets. So I'm going to be searching for code snippets. So I'm going to show you two broad ways. I said they're using the code. So I'm going to search for code snippets. So now I'm going to be installing this. You can see I'm going to be installing this particular one, code snippets. I'm activating it already. Okay, with that done, I'm going to be going down to where I have, you can see hide notice. I'm going to go to my hide notice. Now you can see if I go to my dashboard, those notices they are still there. So let's see how my dashboard look like. You can see all those notices, they are still showing on my dashboard. So when I come to my, you are going to see on one of the menu here, you see hide notice. So I'm going to come to hide notice. That's the plugin way. That's, remember we installed this hide notification, dashboard notification. So here is it. Now I'm going to come here and I'm going to activate all of this. So I'm going to click on hide dashboard notices and warnings. I'm going to hide WordPress update notices and warning. So it actually depends on what you want to actually hide. So once I get this, I'm going to click on save. Note why once you save this and all this notification gets hidden, there's actually a tab where you can view all those notifications. So you can see all those notifications that are hidden. You can see them in this particular tab. When you come to here, you see notifications. You can see all of them in this particular section. So with this, you can see it has I've been able to hide all those annoying notifications from my dashboard. So you can see, let me go to my dashboard. You can see I don't have any notification again on my dashboard. You can see all of them has been taken off. So you can see how I've been able to do this just using a plugin. So now I'm going to be showing you the second method of applying this same thing, but now this will be using a code snippet. So I'm going to be going to, you have remember we actually, now I'm going to go to my theme. Remember, okay, I did this first one using plugin, so I'm going to go to my plugin. I'm going to uninstall that plugin. So I'm going to deactivate that plugin so that all the notices comes back, and let's see how you can do that again with. So I'm going to go hide admin. I'm going to uninstall it. I'm going to deactivate it. You can see that once I deactivate that particular plugin, you can see all those notices, they are actually back again. So going to the second method. Now using the second method is using the code snippets. So I'm going to be, you just go scroll down, come to all snippets. So from there I already have my added already. So now when you can see this, the all snippets, you can now click on add new to add yours. You can click on add new, but I already have mine added already. So you can see this is mine already. So let me just click on it to edit. So now from this, when you open your own code snippets, you as in on the, if you click on the add new, you're going to see this place is going to be empty. You can add your title on this part, then you can add, this is the code I actually added here. Then on this downside, you can see how you can see this is the, you can just add a description, and I'm running it, run the snippets everywhere. So now you will just come to the website once again. You are going to see how to add using the code snippet. So I'm going to just come here and select, you're just going to come here, select this, copy this, now go back to the code snippets. You can see, let me just replace it. You can see you replace the code here. So once you've replaced this code, what you're going to note now, you can see by the time I should save this particular code, it's not actually going to do anything on this. You can see there will still be this, or this notice will still remain. So let's just wait for it to save so that you see what is how we have it. So you can see after saving, this is what we still have. The codes name, the errors are still there. So now how are we going to clear these errors? Let me show you the easiest way of doing this. So now I'll be actually using, you can on your browser, you can just right click and come to inspect. So come to inspect. So once you allow it, just on the elements section, you're going to allow it to load up. So once then you come to the, use this inspector selector tool. So you are going to click on this. Now you're going to hover on this particular, you can see, just hover on the error you want to actually take out. You can see exclusive add-ons. So I'm going to click on it. Once you click on it, it has actually selected that particular section. So once it's selected, now you're going to, there's something technical here we are going to be doing. So you're going to scroll down. You're going to see, like now, I think this is it. You can see it's having green here. So let's see, this is the class we are actually dealing with. So now I'm going to select this particular class, select this, I'm going to select this, copy, then I'm going to go to here. You can see now add. I'm going to paste the code here. So now I actually added comma in the code in case you actually want to add yours. You can add as many ones you want to add. You might decide to select this and choose, but let me see. I think because most of them is also having this is still update notices. Yeah, update notice, success notice, update. So now let's see. By the time I actually save this, let's see. By the time I save this, what is going to be my result? How is it going to actually save, remove the errors for me, or is it going to still remain? So now let's see. You can see by the time I save the code, you can see all the notices has actually disappeared. You can see all the notices. Let's go to my dashboard. Let's see. Wow, you can see we don't have any notice on this particular website. So in case you are actually someone, this is, you can see I actually show you the way of using it with code, with plugin, and using combination of plugin and code. That's the use of the code snippets. So now let me do something. Now I'm going to show you another way. So let me come here and put it off. I'm going to put that off. But now, in case when doing this, you have to ensure you actually get all the CSS ID that is actually responsible for that. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to open it and do something. I'm going to copy the whole entire code. So now let's see. I'm copying this whole entire code because this is what works for me, and I'm going to come back to here, code snippets. So I'm going to put that off. I'm going to turn it off. You can see by the time I turn that off, you can see they are actually back again. So now let's do something now. Now the third way is, I actually said I'm going to show you 3 ways. So now this way is, you're going to go to your WordPress file. That's we are going to enter that code into your functions.php folder. That's in your anywhere in your function.php folder. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open the function that's on the WP config. You can enter it on your function.php file on your WordPress, or you do it on your WP config file. So now let me show you, but I actually prefer doing it using the second method because it's actually to me it's actually the best way.
If you're still watching this video and you've not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video.
So I'm going to be adding mine to the WP functions.php file. So I'm going to go to where I have, okay, to my dashboard. I'm going to go to my appearance. You're going to see theme editor, theme file editor. So click on theme file editor. So this way actually you can actually this way we added to your main theme file. So let's see. I understand. Okay, now let's look for functions.php. You can see function.php. I'm going to click on this. Actually, advisable once doing this, you ensure you get it your child theme. So it's actually advisable doing this on your child theme, because each time you update this, it's going to, the changes is going to take, it's going to overwrite what you've done on this side. So best using the second method I showed you, or you get a child theme. So let's just come to the and let me just scroll to the end. Let me just go to the end of it and add this, or let me say from here, let me add this, let me add this. So now this is it. This is what I'm adding. Just added the code. You can see this is the code I actually copied from there. Now this is just a notification, just you can just this a comment is not actually going to take effect. So I'm going to click on update file. You can see before I actually updated the file, all these notices were here. So now let's see by the time the file gets updated how our website is going to be. So you can see once you've added that and it saves, you can see all the notices, they are all gone. Even if I should go to my dashboard, you can see all the notice won't be displayed. You can see this is how you can easily remove WordPress admin notices from your website. So I believe you might have learned from this video. In case you have any difficulty anywhere, you can just drop in the comment box below. I'm going to try my best to see how to answer. In case you like this video, please ensure you share this video and give it a thumbs up. Until next time, bye for now.